Yun, no, na-realize mo na na napakahalaga na bago ka mag-drive ng traffic, no, ay kahit papano meron kang basic knowledge, okay, on how you're going to take care of your passengers the moment they believe in you, no, na kayang-kaya mo silang dalhin sa land of success. So that is the story of If I Am the Captain, okay, will you trust, okay, to ride on it. Kasi napakahalaga, no, nung tiwalang binigay sa'yo ng mga taong naniwala sa'yo. That's why I'm so happy, no, at kahit medyo natatagalan yung pag-produce ko ng bawat videos na meron tayo, I make sure na talagang by the heart, nauunawaan mo yung beauty of our industry and how to be a really good leader at makapag-provide ako ng mga top-notch, okay, quality contents na enjoying, no, at fun activities, and nandun talaga yung learning. Okay, guys? So, now I'm going to show you the the 6 steps, okay, at the end of this video, kahit man lang matutunan mo itong 6 na napakahalagang ingredients, no, na dapat ay alam mo muna at kabisado mo by heart bago ka mag-invite ng mga pasahero sa iyong plane. Okay? So, we will start, okay, with discovering, okay, why leader type marketers get most of the leads and how you can act like one as soon as possible. No, napakahalaga na ang isang captain ay talagang kapani-paniwala na alam niya kung saan niya dadalhin yung kanyang mga estudyante. Okay, napakahalaga na kahit papano meron kang basic knowledge, no, on how to guide your people or how to take good care of them the moment they are in your premises or in your plane. Okay, so we've already watched the video and I hope marami kang na-realize at natutunan doon. So how to become the leader type na ikaw mismo ang hahabulin ng magjo-join sa'yo? Yung tipong hindi ka naman nagmamarket pero tatanungin ka na lang, paano po sumali? Or gusto ko pong sumali sa team mo. At sasabihin sa'yo, no, Coach, ang galing mo po, no? Paano po ba ako magbabayad ng enrollment fee? Okay? So later on, marirealize mo na ang isang captain, when they really know where they are going, no, the people or the passengers can sense that this is a good captain, okay, and they don't even need, okay, to ask, no, a lot of questions. They will just ask you this powerful and very surprising questions, no? And they will ask you, sasali na lang sila, no? And ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, alam mo yung dahilan kung bakit yung mga tao na to ay very confident sa'yo, no, na sumali at magtiwala sa business mo or sa plane mo dahil nakikita nila sa'yo that you are a confident pilot, okay, or a leader type. Now, gusto mo ba yon, no? I know, no, na bilang isa sa mga students ko sa Ninja Pro, unti-unti nang lumilinaw sa'yo, no, yung kahalagahan ng self-check mindset, no, especially with our topic today, no, na if you were the captain, pagkakatiwalaan ka rin ba ng tao ng gano'n? No, masisense din kaya nila sa'yo yung pagiging leader type, no? Yung tipong kitang-kita nila na alam mo kung saan ka papunta. Okay, so remember, yung commitment ko sa'yo ay gawin kitang pro. Okay, alam mo ba na mabusisi kung iniisip kung paano ko ba ibabalik yung sarili ko as a newbie para maunawaan ko ulit kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng isang newbie at paano ko magagawang solusyonan ang mga yon. Okay? Okay, so kung ready ka na, no, isa lang ang solusyon para maging leader type ka or makita ng mga prospect o ng mga newbies sa'yo, no, makapag-attract ka agad ng maraming prospect sa iyong business. Okay, I hope ready ka na. Kasi meron lang nag-iisang way, no, para makita ng tao na you are a confident pilot. You are a leader type and you know where you are going. Okay, so ano kaya yun? No? Are you ready? Okay, so simple lang, no? You have to master your business very well. Okay? Kasi ayokong maging kagaya ko nung pilot na basta na lang siya nag-focus sa passengers, 'no? Pasakay siya ng pasakay, sige 'no, dami niyang passengers. Yun nga lang 'no, hindi pa pala siya confident leader type or hindi pa siya confident pilot, 'no? Kaya pagdating ng emergency, hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya 'no, tinawag niya si coach at saka si sponsor 'no, si referrer 'no. So, ngayon gusto ko sa'yo bilang one of my students in Ninja Pro, ikaw yung type na alam mo kung saan ka papunta. Okay? You are a confident pilot. Okay, you know where you're going to the land of success, and before you invite your passengers, no, dahil malapit na tayong pumunta sa mga technical know-how, okay, this very last video will make you an accountable leader. Okay, that's why I want you to do the top 6 assignments later on at the end of this video in order for you to master your business very well bago ka mag-focus sa traffic. Okay? So here's the next thing we're going to do, and I hope nag-take down notes ka no habang pinagdadaanan natin itong slide presentation na to. Okay, see, itong kadalasang nangyayari 'no, sa mga newbie 'no. Don't get me wrong at 'wag kang masasaktan 'no, I am a very upfront teacher, and lahat ng mga, inside outs ng ating industry talagang tinuturo ko 'yan because I believe 'no na, there is no way to teach what is right but to tell what is right, okay? So, sad to say maraming pros ang kahit pro na, ginagawa pa rin ang cycle na 'to, which is very deadly sa maraming aspiring top earners ng affiliate company nila or network marketing company nila, 'no? So, eto yung ginagawa nila, okay? Yan yung ginagawa ng karamihan, okay? So, first, 'no, to attract other people, ang sabihin nila, "Kumita na ako dahil sa system na 'to 'no, kaya sali ka na. Okay, eto na yung proof ng income ko 'no, eto na yung mga nagawa nito sa buhay ko." 'No, yan yung mga advertisement nila. Again, in my ebook, I said, it's effective, okay? Dahil sa culture nating mga Pilipino 'no, um, madali tayong ma-attract sa mga money-making scheme 'no. Sasali tayo dahil gusto natin yung resultang nakikita natin sa kanila. Okay, pero ang hindi sinasabi nitong naka-red ay kung ano yung mga pagdadaanan mo 'no, bago ka makarating sa punto na nandun na siya. Okay, na nakakapagawa na siya ng result. Ang sasabihin lang nila yung magaganda, siyempre. Of course, that is advertising. It's really like that anywhere. That is why in Ninja Pro, hihimay-himayin natin 'yan, no? Okay, so the prospect, no, sabihin niya, "Okay, gusto ko, no, gusto ko sumali kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng extra income, kaya ano mangyayari? Sasali ako." Yun na lang yung exchange nilang dalawa, no? Okay, so ano mangyayari pagkasali ng student? Dadaan na siya dito sa phase na 'to. Okay, mag-e-enroll siya, no? Tapos nahirapan siya, hindi niya alam kung saan magsisimula. Pero dahil ang tinuturo is traffic, gagawin niya lang yung ginagawa ng karamihan, no? Everybody's goal is by traffic, no? To earn by traffic. So gagawin niya lang din yung advertisement na ginawa nito. Of course, you will get the same result. Kasi sa network marketing nga, no, is copy-paste, no? Gaya-gaya, putumaya, paglaki mo, top earner. Okay, it works, again, pero nawawala yung value ng industry natin. Okay, because they abandon the most important thing, no? Aside from just recruiting and referring people into your business. Okay, nawawala itong part na to, which is the learning phase. Okay? Kaya nga, maraming pilot, no? Nag-invite na sila ng maraming passengers, pero in the end, hindi pa pala nila talaga kayang magpalipad ng malaking eroplano. That is why in this program, no, I will teach you the 6 crucial steps, okay, for you to become an accountable pilot. Okay? So, dalawa lang, madi-divide lang sa dalawang category yung mga sumali, no? Yung iba na stuck sila sa learning phase, no? Yung iba naman, no, nag-focus na sila agad sa traffic, okay? They become that pilot na napanood mo kanina. So, ako naisip ko 'no, ano nga ba yung dapat gawin ng isang newbie para maging isa siyang accountable pilot 'no? So, if I am the captain, will you trust to ride on my plane? So, dapat na maging sagot ng mga passengers o ng mga prospects mo ay yes, because they can see that you can bring them to the land of success. Okay, so what you should do, no? Things you should master before doing the traffic. Okay? Ayan. Babalik ka doon, no? Isa lang talaga yan. You have to master your business very well. Kapag ka dumating ka na sa point na yung company na napili mo, no, yung produktong napili mo, at ipopromote mo yan, hindi dahil gusto mong pagkakitaan yan, kundi dahil naniniwala ka sa produkto at serbisyo na meron ang company na pinopromote mo. Alam mo na sa pamamagitan ng airplane na yan, ng business na yan, madadala mo yung tao na yon sa land of success. And make sure na ikaw, alam mo kung paano dadalhin yung mga tao doon. Okay? So, number one, no? Ito, napakahalaga nitong realization na to. Alam nyo ba guys na kapag nag-o-offer ka ng business opportunity online, no? Ito lang yung nag-iisang tanong, no, ng mga passenger mo o ng mga prospect mo. Sasali ba ako sa kanya? Okay? Okay, with affiliate marketing, no, dapat maunawaan mo na sa ibang bansa, sa US, hindi masyadong metikuloso mga tao doon, no? Mabilis ang process ng drive ng traffic kasi karamihan ng mga tao sa US, no, may mga credit card, may PayPal, it doesn't matter, no? They will not contact the person directly. They know that it's a lot of hassle and they will just sign up if they feel like signing up. Kaso, sa ating mga Pinoy, iba ang kultura natin, no? Kapag nakakita tayo ng business opportunity, kahit napakaraming traffic pa niyan, no? I believe you will agree with this, no? At hindi ito natuturo sa community natin kasi para sa atin ang traffic pare-pareho, but actually hindi, no? Minsan nakakategorize yan depende sa behavior, no? Kaya nga mayroong tinatawag sa Facebook ads, no? Yung behavior of your target prospect, no? Ano ba sila? Paano ba tayong mga Pinoy pag bumibili tayo? Lalo na pag sumasali tayo sa business opportunity, bago tayo magbitaw ng malaking pera, no? Talagang kinikilala muna natin ng mabusising-mabusisi yung pilot o yung captain ng business na sasalihan natin. Tama ba? No? So, number one na naglalaro sa isip nila is, sasali ba ako sa kanya? Okay? At mag-i-spy yan sa yung Facebook, no? Hanapin niya yung account mo, titignan niya kung accountable pilot ka ba. Okay, so ganun yung nangyayari, no? So, the reason why ako, no, hindi naman sa marami akong natatanggap na, "Coach, paano ba ako sumali sa team mo?" no? "Sali po ako sa team mo." no? Ganun, no? Why? Because I think I came to a certain point, okay, na talagang na-prove ko na alam ko na kung saan ko dadalhin yung mga passengers ko. Okay? That is why you have to really breathe and inhale, exhale your business. No, yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina, master your business very well na kahit tulog ka, no, kabisado mo yung negosyo mo. Okay? Dahil nakikita ng mga passengers kung ikaw ba talaga ay isang accountable pilot na kayang-kaya mo silang dalhin kung saan mo gustong tumungo. Okay? Yun lang yung sekreto, guys. No? You need to master your business very well. Pero paano? No? Yan ang tanong mo. So at the end of this video, malalaman mo kung paano. Okay? Yan. No? That is why bago ka mag-focus, okay, wala akong S doon, sorry. Focus sa earn. Okay, no? Which is everybody's goal is to earn, no, by traffic. No, napakahalagang gawin mo yung 6 steps na 'to. Okay? Napakahalaga ng mga sumusunod, no? Number one, sulat mo dyan sa iyong Ninja Pro notebook, understanding your business first, no? Which is yan yung pag-uusapan natin sa next units, no? Sa unit number 2. Okay, pag-uusapan na natin yung mga technical know-how, no? Step by step yan, guide. Okay, so I hope no marami pa sa mga team mo or students mo yung makasabay sa lesson natin, and don't worry, no, kasi recorded naman itong program natin. Okay? So, kailangan, no, as soon as possible, maging leader type ka agad, no? Natatandaan mo ba yung lesson natin sa, sa training your subconscious mind? Kapag hindi mo inalis sa isip mo yung tiger na newbie ka pa rin hanggang ngayon, mahihirapan ka, no? Kaya kailangan, i-shift mo na agad yung mind mo na you are already a leader, no? And be an accountable leader by doing the activities na ituturo ko sa'yo mamaya. Okay? And start attracting new prospects like a pro. Okay? And list the following activities. So, ito na, no? Ito na yung 6 things na dapat gawin mo para magmukha kang leader type agad, no? Hindi lang mukha, kailangan, no? Maging pro ka agad dahil masisense ng mga passengers mo yan. Okay? And I think kapag nagawa mo na itong activity na to, I am very sure na dramatically, no? Ramdam ng mga nag-view sa Facebook mo that you are actually becoming a leader type ninja. Okay? You are becoming a leader type pilot. Okay? Na alam mo na kung saan mo magagawang dalhin, no, yung mga traffic na nakukuha mo, mga passengers mo. Okay, so number 1 is that master your company's product and services. Okay, karamihan ng mga nasasali sa business opportunity, no, pagkasali nila, no, nagre-recruit na sila agad. No, hindi pa nila minamaster yung company background nila, no? Ano ba talaga yung produktong binebenta mo? What is your product or offer that you sell? What are the type of people, no, that will help your product with? No? And ano ba yung mga problema nila, no? What are the problems that your product can solve, no? Study your product and your services before you promote it to other people and be the user of your own product. Napakahalaga na gawin mo yung mga to dahil if you use your own product, no, network marketing ka man or affiliate marketing ka man, be the user of your own product kasi kapag ginagamit mo yan, alam na alam mo kapag may nagtanong sa'yo by the heart, okay, kung ano yung produkto at serbisyong binebenta mo. Alam mo kung sino-sino yung mga taong matutulungan nito. Alam mo kung sino yung target prospect mo. Alam mo kung sino yung perfect customer na bibili ng produkto mo. And in order for you to know that, okay, kailangan kabisado at alam mo by the heart, okay, yung produktong binebenta mo. And for you to know that, ang product natin guys, okay, is yung 10 steps training. Yan yung product natin. And for you to know that, I want you to read, okay, and study again this 10 steps training program. And I believe, no, updated to. Hindi na to yung kagaya ng dating 10 steps program. Okay, bago yung mga videos dyan. Okay, that's why you need to learn that again. Okay, so that's step number 1. You have to master your products and services. And again, our product and Unity Network is the 10 steps training program. Okay? At kung gusto mo pang malaman kung ano nga ba talaga yung produkto at serbisyo natin, mamaya i-discuss ko sa'yo. Number 2, master the usage of your tools. Okay, kung hindi mo alam kung paano gamitin yung service mo and tools mo, paano mo ituturo sa iba? No? That is why when you have a team, dapat alam mo kung paano mo sila i-guide, paano mo sila tuturuan. That's why I want you to go to tools, okay? Study mo yung affiliate links na yan, how to upgrade, and paano mo ma-access yung iyong back office, no? Sa Unity Network. Again guys, ATM and apps are our products, but Unity Network is our company, and under that company ay yung mga produkto natin, which is ATM, apps, gold, titanium, platinum. Okay? Yun, no? Aralin mo yung tools, affiliate links, and access your back office inside Unity Network. Okay, get connected to your community. Napakahalaga nito, no? Marami sa mga networker, no, they do their business alone, no? At nangangapa sila. Okay, the best way, I've been doing network marketing all my life, no? So the best way for you to grow yourself is to copy, okay, what most of your leaders are doing inside your community. At para updated ka sa mga ginagawa nila, no, dapat naka-join ka sa community nila, no? For example, yung group page, no, group chat, no? Dapat active ka diyan at talagang nakikita mo yung mga activities diyan. And later on, ano, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano mo magagawang makasali sa lahat ng group communities natin sa ating business. Okay? So, our business kasi is not offline, no? Kung saan pupunta ka pa sa office, no? Tapos, mamamasahe ka, may existing establishment. Napakahalaga sa isang entrepreneur, lagi kang naka-plug in, no? So, paano mo magagawa yon kung online ang business mo? The only way, no, is that you need to be connected with all of the trainings provided sa loob ng iyong mga group pages and group communities and group chats, okay? Kasi yan yung parang office ng iyong negosyo online, okay? So, yan yung number 3. Tapos, number 4, ito yung ginawa ko nung newbie ako, no? Know where to ask for help, no? Study knowledge base, no? So, kung member ka ng Unity Network, no? Some of the students in Ninja Pro kasi are not yet in Unity Network. They're doing network marketing, but okay, here we prioritize the Unity Network Sports Hub. Okay, but anyway, Ninja Pro is the basic knowledge about how to turn a newbie to a pro. So it's very general, no, yung mga topics natin. It's just that it's specialized for Unity Network students. Okay, I hope masaya yung mga Unity Network students natin, no? Kung di ka pa member ng community na to, you can contact us, okay, for you to become one. Okay, dahil napakaganda ng mga programs and learnings na natututunan ng mga students dito. Okay, so when I was a newbie, what I did was that para magawa kong ma-master ko yung business ko really well. Okay, what I did, no, pumunta ako sa knowledge base, no. Ito, meron diyang 94 articles with 8 categories, no? At diyan mo na malalaman pasikot-sikot about your business. That is why ito yung pinaka-library ng lahat ng knowledge about mastering your business. And I think, no, I really hope, no, na maramdaman mo sa sarili mong accountable ka to know those knowledge necessary, no, bago ka humataw sa traffic. Okay ba yon, guys? No, magiging responsible ka sa mga passenger na nandun sa business mo, no, sa plane mo. And the best way talaga, no, is not just to get connected to your coaches and to your community, but also mag-self-study ka, no, dito sa knowledge base. Pag binasa mo lahat to, I'm very sure, no, na alam mo, no, kung paano mo i-guide yung mga future team members mo. Okay? So next, no, bago ako refer, no, sa free traffic ko ng maraming students, no. May mga time na nakaka-30 ako, no, in one day, no. At ngayon, no, stop nga yung marketing ko, no, kasi hindi ako nakakapag-create ng mga unique content, which is ituturo ko sa inyo, all for the sake of guiding a lot of ninjas, no, to help you guys na sabay-sabay tayong lumipad. When I finish my project with Ninja Pro, that's the time I will start doing my FB ads. Okay? Kasi we human, when we want to give our very best, no, we're more than 100% of our self, I think we should focus on one major project. So Ninja Pro is my major project. That's why I'm giving my best to it now. Okay, so hindi muna ako nagma-market ngayon sa Unity, but still I'm getting a lot of students, no? Kailan lang, no? Siguro may mga 6 this week, no? Free traffic lang 'yon. Okay? So, tuturo ko rin sa inyo yung free traffic. Kasi I believe, mag-test ka muna ng water, no? I really believe na subukan mo muna sa konti bago ka sa marami, no? Malaking accountability yung marami, no? Unless na lang gusto mo lang talaga is income. Okay? Hindi mo talaga gustong maging accountable pilot. Okay? So, ang ginawa ko no'n, 'no, dahil bago ako maging affiliate marketer, okay, meron na akong basic knowledge about network marketing, okay? At I have the expertise in sales and closing, no? So, meron na akong idea kung paano mag-close, okay, ng mga tao. And the guy you see here, okay, he is Gordon Attard. He is the very first male mentor of mine, and he is at an icon when it comes to closing. Okay, sikat 'to sa YouTube, 'no, sikat siya sa Malta, sa Europe, at nakapag-grow na siya ng malaking network, and in fact, newscaster 'to 'no, sa Malta 'no, sa, southern part of Italy, okay. And, Malta is actually one of the countries na naiisip naming mag-retire 'no, kasi mura mura sa Malta, mura yung mga bilihin do'n at masarap mag-retire do'n kasi Europe 'yon. Pero sobrang mura ng mga bilihin, parang Asia. Okay, so he's from Malta and thanks to him 'no, because I learned a lot of things about closing. So, bago ka mag-focus sa traffic, I highly, highly recommend 'no, na, at least kahit papaano may knowledge ka about how to close people. Okay? And how you can do that is very simple. No, you can search online, example YouTube, but don't worry. This is my promise to you. Ninja Pro is a step-by-step guide. Okay? So here in Ninja Pro program, we will teach you closing skills as well. Okay? But now, one of your assignments is to go online, go to YouTube, no, type mo no how to close prospects, how to answer how. Okay, dahil ito yung nagiging problema ng maraming newbie. Tinuruan sila na paano mag-escalation method, no? Paano mag-market, paano mag-post, paano FB ads, no? Paano mag-traffic. Pagdating na ng mga passengers sa airplane, boom, ang dami na, no? Ang dami mong how, no? Patay na, hindi mo naman masagot, no? Kaya ang recommendation ko sa iyo as a coach, alam na alam ko ang pinagdadaanan ng mga newbie. Okay? At, inisip ko talaga, bakit hindi nila nagagawang magkaroon ng resulta? Ang dami naman nilang traffic, okay. The reason is 'no, nasa basic level pa lang sila, wala pa sila sa titanium, which is mastering closing skills, pero alam na nila mag-traffic, kaya lang hindi nila magawang ma-close, okay. That is why here in Ninja Pro, we will be very honest to you 'no. I will try my best to be very upfront 'no, and, tutumbukin natin yung mga main problems na 'yan para talagang, ma-sure natin na, nakakapag, aral ka 'no, na step by step 'no, bullet point by bullet point. So, alam mo na ngayon mahalaga yung closing skills bago ka humataw, umariba ng traffic diyan, okey? 'Yan, so research on YouTube and online, okay. English man 'yan or Tagalog, that will do, and take down notes, a lot of strategies online 'no. But, me personally napakarami ko ring closing strategies, okay. At, I'm very excited na ituro sa'yo 'yan. So next thing, eto na 'no, eto na, dito na talaga nagkakaroon ng ano 'no, i-o-open ko talaga yung mind mo sa online, business opportunities. Okay, napakahalaga na meron kang basic knowledge about follow-up, and I mean 'no, online and offline. The reason why maraming basic level 'no, na nagfe-fail ay ang ginawa nila, nag-focus agad sila sa traffic, hindi pa nakakasa yung kanilang mga system 'no, hindi pa nila nagagawa yung online store nila. Everybody wants traffic 'no, everybody focus on traffic. Kaya lang ang hindi sinabi sa'yo, hindi mo pa hinanda yung iyong planta 'no, yung iyong, automation system, yung online store mo. Kumbaga sa fisherman 'no, nangisda ka pero wala ka pang pier 'no, wala ka pang boat, wala kang lalagyanan, wala kang mga ano, banyera. So, sayang yung isda mo 'no, ang dami nga ng buhos ng traffic mo, hindi mo naman alam kung saan mo ilalagay 'no, wala kang paglalagyan, wala kang fish pond 'no, wala kang factory ng sardinas, as in wala 'no, wala kang, sistema. That is why in Ninja Pro, step by step kinategorize ko na, ano ba mahalagang unahin? Closing, traffic ba o unahin muna nating i-set up yung online store mo? Okay, kaya dito sa Ninja Pro, we will teach you and guide you by hand. So, follow up, no? Napakahalaga na may basic knowledge ka sa follow up, both online and offline. Bakit ko sinama yung offline? Eh, coach, automated naman yung system natin. Ba't kailangan pa ng, ano na yan, ng offline skills sa pagpa-follow up? Ba't ko pa kailangan tawagan yung students ko? No? Bakit ko pa kailangan silang i-confirm? Okay, kung magbabayad na ba sila. Believe me or not, guys, kahit ikaw na ang pinakamagaling na salesperson sa buong mundo, ikaw na yung pinaka-pro, you need to talk to your prospect offline. Okay? Dahil behind the automated system na ginawa mo ay tao 'no, na nagde-demand ng tao na kagaya mo, okay, na pareho mo ring may pangarap at pareho mo ring may desire na maging successful sa buhay at hindi kayang sagutan ng automated system mo yung human being na nagde-desire ng human attention mo. Okay, malinaw ba 'yon? Kaya napakahalaga na alam mo kung paano mag-follow up, okay? Both using your, system, no? Automated system. It's a big help. This is technology. But remember, you are not talking to a robot. Okay, guys? I hope malinaw sa inyo yan, ha? Alam ko lahat ng mga magtuturo sa inyo, everything is about traffic, everything is about online. But believe me or not, I've mastered sales my life, all my life, okay? Both online and offline. And I know what works. Kaya yan yung isa sa mga sekreto ko sa pre-traffic, no? Bakit ang bilis ko sila ma-close? Because I talk to my prospect by the heart. Okay? I still do the offline closing. Okay? And that is the secret, no, why you need to learn how to close and how to follow up, okay, your students bago ka mag-focus sa sandamakmak na traffic na pinaglalaanan mo ng oras mo. Okay? I know affiliate marketing is all about traffic, but Filipino market, again guys, are a kind of people, no? Tayo ay medyo metikuloso, no? We really need to talk to person first before we sign up. Okay? At alam kong alam mo yan. Okay? Okay, next, no? If students join, no, learn basic new members guide. Ayun, no? Kailangan, alam mo kung paano mo i-guide yung tao na napasali mo. Okay? Ano yung next step or instruction na ibibigay mo sa kanya. Okay, iga-guide mo siya kung paano mo magagawang maituro sa tao na yon kung paano magsisimula. And again, in Ninja Pro, meron tayong follow-up. No? I will teach you how to follow up both online and offline. And I will also teach you how to guide the basic member. But here, no, assignment mo, tanungin mo yung iyong sponsor, no? And I hope your sponsor is a tawag dito, accountable pilot, no? Kaso lang, no, malas mo lang, no, yung sponsor mo, eh, kagaya ng karamihan, no? Nag-drive lang talaga ng traffic, pero hindi niya pa talaga alam yung negosyo niya. Okay? So, normally, kapag bago ka, you may ask your sponsors about his/her personal strategy. Okay? Ako, pag bago ako sa isang company, ang shortcut na ginagawa ko, tinatanong ko yung sinalihan ko, no? Paano mo ginagawa na i-guide yung bagong student para ikokopyahin ko na lang yon, and that is exactly what I'm going to do, no, para i-guide yung mga bagong sasali sa akin. So you can do the same thing, no? You can ask your sponsor about that at mag-take down notes ka. So ako, ang ginagawa ko, pine-personalize ko yon, no? Copy-paste, yes, pero ilalagay ko pa rin yung unique, okay, personality ko para mas ma-improve ko pa yung strategy niya. Okay? So, mahalaga na alam mo kung paano mo i-guide yung mga students mo. Okay. Lastly, no, you can ask your sponsor referrer about their prospecting routine. O yun, napakahalaga nun. Ako, personally, pag may sumali sa akin, i-welcome ko sila sa group chat. Okay? Tapos may nakahanda na akong copy-paste template, no? Nai-email ko sa kanila kasi may ibang mga links doon na hindi na gumagana sa Messenger chat. So i-email ko sa kanila, nandun na yung step-by-step guide na susundan nila, no? To welcome my new members. Alam na nila kung ano yung susunod na gagawin nila. And syempre, i-welcome mo rin sila sa ating group community, no? Kasi nandiyan naman yung mga trainings para sa mga newbie. Okay? Okay, so kailangan, no, ma-master mo rin yung company mo, no, yung basic way of marketing. But at the same time, you have to innovate afterwards. Okay, yung 30 days traffic, yan na yung pinaka-last, guys. Kapag marunong ka na kahit papaano, no, kabisado mo na yung company mo, no, ano yung product and services nyo, ginagamit mo siya, alam mo kung sino yung tamang tao para sa negosyo mo, no, marunong ka na kahit papaano mag-close, para handa ka sa giyera kapag marami nag-hawk sa'yo, 'no? Tapos follow up, saka ka pala focus sa traffic. And again, just to give you a new update, 'no, i-check and study mo ulit yung 30 days TIP dahil updated ulit 'to, 'no? May mga bagong content dito, mga videos na dapat aralin mo. Okay? Ayun. So, tandaan mo na quality contents to help your target audience always, no, bago ka mag-market or mag-traffic, no, napakahalaga na nagawa mo yung 6 steps na yon. Kumbaga, isa kang ninja na handa ka sa battlefield para pag inulan ka ng sandamakmak na wow, okay, tapos tuwan-tuwa ka, meron kang 2,000 na inquiries, no? No? No, imagine mo, nag-traffic ka agad, no? Ang dami ngang nag-i-inquire sa'yo kaso ito yung nangyari sa'yo, 'no? Kaya lang, ang daming how, 'no? Kaya lang paano ko sila iko-close lahat, 'no? Kasi na may traffic, eh, nag-FB ads ka pa 'no, laki pa ng gastos mo sa FB ads 'no. Wala ka pa palang mga basic knowledge about your company, hindi mo pa alam mag-follow up at mag-close at hindi pa nakahanda yung system mo para ma-follow up sila both online and offline, hindi patay na 'no. Sayang yung traffic mo 'no, sayang yung mga newbie na naghihintay na ma-guide mo kaso hindi mo rin alam kung paano sila iga-guide. Okay, so ayan 'no, so hindi mo sila masasagot ng tama 'no. Para kang yung pilot kanina na 'di alam kung saan pupunta, kawawa naman yung mga pasahero mo. Okay, so be an accountable pilot and remember, if I am the captain 'no, will you trust to ride on me? 'No, tanong mo sa sarili mo 'yan, kung ako ba yung pilot 'no, magtitiwala ba akong sumakay sa sarili ko 'no? Magaling na ba enough na ba ako 'no, bago ako mag-traffic? Responsible na ba ako, kayang-kaya ko na ba talagang mag-guide sa kanya? Ayun, tanungin mo sa sarili mo 'yun. 'Pag ang sagot mo ay yes na, okay, I think you are ready to be a responsible pilot. Okay, so in your Ninja notebook, now write this step-by-step activity. Okay, so analyze this chart again. Ito yung ginagawa ng karamihan, no? Join us, no? Sali ka dito, kumita na ako dito. Okay, sali ako kasi gusto kong kumita. Nag-join, no? Hindi naman inaral, hindi naging accountable. Nag-focus sa traffic, the same, no? Repeat the cycle. Okay? So, ito yung gagawin mo. Ito yung naisip ko na paraan, no? Para maging accountable leader ka, maging leader type ka agad, no? At maging accountable pilot ka. So, kapag newly signed up ka, no? Ito yung mga activities na dapat mong gawin. Number 1, master your company's product, services. So, punta ka dito sa link na to, no? Dahil diyan ko nilagay yung aking video, no? Ano nga ba talaga yung product ni Unity Network? Okay? So, yan yung assignment mo ngayon. Number 2, master the usage of your tools. No, log in ka lang sa apps and ATM mo, punta ka sa tools. Dahil pag alam mong gamitin yan, alam mo kung paano ituturo sa susunod na sasali sa'yo. Get connected to your community. Okay? So, paano mo magagawa maging connected ka sa iyong community? Number 1, punta ka sa link na to, no? Ito yung ebook ko. Lahat na ng ano natin, lahat na ng group community natin nilagay ko na doon. Step by step guide na 'yan para sa mga newbie, no? You can share it to your team as well, yung Level Up with Apps basic guide. At makukuha mo 'yan, mada-download mo 'yan. Pag tinype mo sa Google search engine mo 'to, no, pop up yung aking website which is free lang din, no, yung website ko. Okay? Pero kung pro ka na 'no, actually puwede ka na mag-level up sa mga magagandang quality website kasi limited lang yung gigabyte nun 'no. At ako naniniwala ako kapag nag-start ako ng business, sa free lang muna ako. Pagka medyo malaki na yung business ko, then I start investing with it. Of course 'no, it's really like that 'no, bago ka mag-invest ng malaking traffic 'no, try ka muna sa free traffic 'no, na gano'n talaga 'no. Ako kasi may pagka-utak-inchik ako 'no, kaya nakikita ko yung resulta ng ano ko, ng business ko pumapalo ng 1,000% ROI, okey. Lahat ng kinita ko 'no, puro pure profit 'yun 'no, wala akong ano do'n, siguro kuryente lang saka internet 'no. Kaya 'yun yung gusto kong ituro sa inyo 'no. Okay, so know where to ask for help, study knowledge base. Okay, eto guys, kapag inaral nyo lahat ng nasa knowledge base, I believe pro ka na agad. Kabisado mo na yung business mo, ano nga ba yung business mo, at alam kong kayang-kaya mo mag-guide, okay, ng bagong newbie kapag ka inaral mo yung knowledge base. So, paano ka makakapunta sa knowledge base? Punta ka lang sa support.unitynetwork.com/knowledge base, okay? Yan. So, yan yung mga assignment mo. Number 5, no? Prepare basic knowledge how to close. So, paano mo magagawa yon? Kung titanium level ka na, aralin mo yung titanium level mo kasi this is a closing mastery. Ngayon, kung basic level ka, no? Mag-research ka sa Google, saka sa YouTube. But the good news is, pati closing, guys. Ang mura-mura na in-enroll nyo, no? 1,990 actually. But that is actually just half, no? Ang Ninja Pro kasi talaga dapat is nasa 3,000 plus yan, no? But this is just a promotion price. Okay, but anyway, those people who will pay higher fee, no, meron akong gift para sa kanila, no? Of course, they paid more, so they deserve more. Okay, so I am planning to have a lot of perks, okay, sa ating. So don't worry kung one day, no, isa ka sa mga magbabayad ng full price, okay, pero yung sulit naman na matututunan mo dito, no, you will have a lot of perks. Okay, sobrang dami natin magiging perks. So you will get what you pay for. More than what you paid for, actually. So, ituturo rin natin yung closing mastery. Pero huwag mo hintayin yun, no? Kasi ito ay step-by-step guide. I want you to quickly go to Google and YouTube at mag-aral ka na ng mga basic knowledge on how to close. Okay, number 6. Okay, basics of follow-up online and offline. So, kung gold level ka, pwede ka nang meron tayo yung step-by-step guide on how to create your online funnel or online store. May training dun sa loob ng gold level, no? Pero kung basic ka naman, you can search on Google and YouTube kung paano mag-follow up online and offline. Okay? At syempre, tuturo rin natin yan sa Ninja Pro. Okay? I believe na kapag meron ka na nitong 6 ninja moves na yan, no? Ready ka na para sa traffic. Okay? At napakahalaga na bago ka mag-focus sa traffic, alam mo na to by heart. Okay? So, why it's necessary? These are the topics, no? Itong 6 na yan, are the topics where most prospects ask their questions from. Ngayon, no? Bago sila yung mga traffic mo sumali, yung mga tanong nila nanggagaling dito, no? Paano po ba sumali? Paano po ba mag-enroll? Pag hindi mo alam paano gawin yun, magbabayad na po ako via Cebuana, paano pong gagawin ko? Hindi mo rin alam kung paano i-upload, no? Kaya punta ka sa knowledge base, okay? So, there you go, no? Yan yung assignment mo, no? In your own thought, ano nga ba talaga ang product and services na pinopromote mo, no? Sino ang mga perfect customer and buyer para sa product mo? Go back to your tools and practice using them. Get connected and join your group community to stay updated. Study knowledge base. Research online how to close. And research online how to follow up offline. Okay, I hope marami kang natutunan dito, no? I want you to be the best captain, okay? The leader type captain. At kapag nagawa mo na to, no, itong 6 ninja moves na to, I am very sure na masesense, no, ng mga prospects mo online na, I think this is a qualified, no, pilot. He can bring me to success, no. I think she knows what she does, okay? At sasali ako sa kanya. Tatanungin ko na lang siya how to join. Okay, kasi alam ko na alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Okay, so before you focus on traffic, again, make sure na alam mo kung ano yung mga necessary skills, no, and knowledge na dapat alam mo na before you invite passengers to be in your business. Again, there you go. This is Coach Princess. Have a great day and see you on our very last topic in subject mindset, which is creating your own vision board. Okay? So, bago ka magnegosyo, dapat meron ka munang vision board. Kasi kapag nakikita mo yan everyday, alam kong hindi ka susuko dahil meron kang dahilan para magpatuloy. Have a great day and see you on our next topic, how to create your vision board. Bye-bye.